How to change TV provider on ESPN app on Firestick. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to change TV provider on ESPN app on Firestick. I'm gonna provide you with the steps on how you can do it. So as you can see that to change TV provider on ESPN app on Firestick, you could follow the steps. First of all, you could go to this link that is espn.com/active on a computer or mobile device. When you press this link, you need to go ahead and enter the activation code when prompted. Next thing you want to do is you could also change your TV provider on the ESPN app by opening the ESPN app, tapping the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting TV provider. Then selecting your participating TV provider, entering your TV provider login credential and tap the login button. With that being said, you have successfully changed your TV provider on ESPN app on Firestick. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.